Hey guys, editing Brina here. I just realized I forgot to make an intro for this video, so welcome to my living room. There's my cat Tiger. He's sleeping. He likes to help me edit. This is where I'll be filming my intro today, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a kind of like a heatless hair tutorial slash how to do a French rope braid. I think that's what they're called. Anyways, if you would like to see me rope braid my hair and then get these heatless beachy waves from it, keep on watching. I'm going to start out by applying a little bit of oil, and today I'm going to use the Way Rose Hair and Body Oil, and I'm going to just do one pump and focus it on the ends. This will help eliminate any frizziness when we take the braid out. And then I'm also going to just quickly brush through it to help disperse the oils and make sure there's no tangles. Hi Cole! Say hi! This is Cole. Tell her how pretty she is with her little flowery collar. Isn't she adorable? She likes to sit in my lap while I'm filming, so if you see a cat, it's gonna be her. If you hear a cat, it's probably her brother. And then I'm just going to brush this back. And then to start the rope braid, I'm going to take this front section, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Honestly, it can be really messy. And then split it in half, and then I'm going to twist both strands of hair in the same direction, so I'm twisting them both towards the right, and then I'm going to twist the right strand over the left, and then I'm going to repeat that one more time, and then I'm going to start adding pieces of hair to each strand. So one section from each side. And then whenever I do that, I like to finger comb the new sections of hair into the old sections. And then once again, twisting both sections to the right, and then twist the right side over the left and pull that tight, and then add more hair. Add more hair to the other side, and twist both sections the same direction that we have been the whole time to the right. Twist the right section over the left, and just continue repeating this process throughout the hair. If you like this eyeshadow, be sure to check out this video right here where I recently did a tutorial on it. I'm going to turn around now. And as you can tell, once I get to the ends, just continue to twist the pieces to the right, and then twist the right piece over the left. And then when we get to the end, tie it off. I'm going to take my handy spray bottle and break my nail, spray the hair just a couple of times. And now we're going to let this sit overnight, and then I will come back tomorrow morning and show you what it looks like when I take the braid out. So my hair elastic fell out last night, and I ended up putting the scrunchie in this morning, so this is what we're working with. And these are the final results, and I really don't do anything else to them. So let me know in the comments below what you think of these peachy waves, I guess. And don't forget to like this video. And I also want to give a little shout out to all of my subscribers. It really means a lot to me that you have taken the time to subscribe and watch my videos. And if you are not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I will be doing a giveaway when I get to 100 subscribers and you don't want to miss that. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Okay. Ow.